Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Friday 22 of April, and we do have a little bit of a trouble right now staring down for SLP, and that is also because of Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to show you Bitcoin very quickly. So here we are with the Bitcoin chart right now. So if I dive into the 4-hour time frame, that's actually looking bad for Bitcoin. Okay, so here we are, and I just released an update. Do check it out on the channel. All you did is you went to the downside and you made a bear flag. Now Bitcoin is going to be a very good example for what is about to come for SLP. So what I'm going to tell you is that bear flags, now this is on the 4-hour time frame, and keep in mind that SLP has a bear flag on the daily. So all you did is you went to the downside, you make a bear flag just like this. The technical target of that bear flag is meant to be from here to here, which is actually breaking out and taking you all the way down to 37,923. The same way I told you about SLP as well. So what is going on with SLP is if I do show you on the daily, you do have that bear flag, and I warned you about this bear flag, that it can actually take you all the way down to these levels down here, the 90 levels down there. Okay, so if you saw the 4-hour time frame bear flag taking you to 37,000, it means that this bear flag on in here in SLP can actually take you to the downside. But I do think right now SLP is going to come and take out the 153 level, and we might possibly go to the 146, which was a technical target pending from the fib retracement as well. So if you've been following the channel, you're going to know what I'm talking about. So a recap and a refresh here is that you went to the downside, make a bear flag right here, broke out of the bear flag. You didn't even break the bear flag itself, so you are looking to actually still continue to maybe potentially these levels down here. So it's gonna be a very bad experience if you're at the end of the SLP, in my opinion. So that's it for this quick update. Do check out my trading course if you're interested in learning how to trade more about bear flags and whatnot. That's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.